Hi guys, we'll start our session. Hope you guys can see me. Just give me a thumbs up if you guys can see me on the video. Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to KonnectzIT, another onboarding webinar. So give me a thumbs up if you guys can able to see me and hear me clear and loud. So just let me know where you all guys from. So if you can able to see my screen, just give me a thumbs up, guys. Okay, hope you all started using KonnectzIT, and do let me know which niche or which purpose you are using KonnectzIT for, and also do let us know, like if you are able to, basically, if you can able to provide any use cases. So if you are looking for any use cases, do let me know. So means I'll just happy to try that so as well for your niche. So let me start by going into sign up of KonnectzIT. So when you click on sign up, you have to enter your email. So we are not asking any other details, and confirm you are not a robot, and just click on continue so that it will be, so there will be a confirmation link sent to your email. So make sure you click on the confirmation link. So before you accessing KonnectzIT, so you cannot able to access KonnectzIt without you confirm your account. So if you didn't receive any confirmation link, please do reach out to our support. So support will be happy to send an confirmation link for you. So I will just straight away start with signing into KonnectzIt. So once you sign into KonnectzIT, you will be able to see an insightful dashboard. So where it gives an insights, basically analytical data of your account. So the total number of active workflows, active connects which you built, and total number of inactive workflows. And also it gives the latest apps which our team is being added into inside KonnectzIT. And also the latest connects, that means latest workflow, so which you built inside KonnectzIT, and the total number of tasks consumed on that particular month, and also the task available on that particular month. And the upgrade button will actually go into upgrading your account to multiple other plans. And basically, so we have a create connect button in the dashboard itself, so straight away you can jump on to building a workflow inside KonnectzIT. And the chat button, so you can able to communicate with our team, so support. So whenever you get stuck on any of the use cases, so you can straight away jump in and chat with our team. So, and also we have an help center. So when you click on help center, so basically it is the articles on different topics. So we have provided different articles and the tutorials. So basically we will be adding tutorials every use cases on our YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to KonnectzIT YouTube channel. So basically, like you could able to see every couple of tutorials we will be adding on every week. So you, once you follow KonnectzIT YouTube channel, so basically you can able to access different marketing strategy. So sorry for that. So these are the videos, so which we have, like more than close to 200 videos on different use cases. Please do subscribe to our channel so that you can get on regular updates on the YouTube videos, which tutorials which we released. And coming back to KonnectzIT help documentation, so other than connect this, basically the articles and tutorials, so we do have an academy, so where you can go ahead and uh, actually register for our course. So basically, like we have a boot camp which is completely for free, and we will be adding multiple other courses as well. So please do go ahead and join to our academy and access all the tutorials, detailed step-by-step access for all our other modules. And now let's go back to KonnectzIT. So about resources, so we do have a blog page and the roadmap. So roadmap is a place where you could able to access KonnectzIT like feedback and the roadmap and also the change log. So you can actually upvote or request your favorite app so that our team has a direct access over here, and they will take that into the roadmap, so where you can see able to see the pending, in progress, and the completed apps over here, and the change log, which gives you the detailed explanation of what our team is actually doing, and you could able to see the complete change log. So based on every week we will be updating the change log, so you can able to see like what exactly our team is working on publicly. So this is all about documentation of KonnectzIT. So now let's go back to the dashboard. After dashboard, we will jump on to the apps page. So guys, like if I am going too fast, just do let me know. So I'll be happy to slow down for you. And also, if you have any question, do let me know in Q&A session, and I'll be happy to answer all your questions at the end of this session. So in the apps page, so you will be able to see all the apps which is integrated inside KonnectzIT. So we integrated more than 800 plus apps inside KonnectzIT. So we categorized into two types. So basically authorized apps and also Webhook apps. So the difference between Webhook apps and authorized apps, I will going to show you both two types of apps demo. So basically you are to place for Webhook apps manually. This is a one-time process. So based on the instructions provided here, you have to copy the URL from KonnectzIT and place this URL onto your destination app and capture the response that is manually. So this is basically the Webhook app. And with respect to the authorized app, you don't need to do that. So basically will do that from the backend. Only you have to authorize your account to access. So KonnectzIT to access your account. So basically I will be showing you both types of example how you can actually build a workflow using Webhook apps and also the authorized apps in this webinar. So now let's come to authorization. So basically there are two types of authorization. So one is OAuth based authorization. The apps like Facebook, Gmail, Google Sheet, all these apps basically follow OAuth based authorization. For this, so you have to click on app and click on add account basically. So this will go to for the apps page and ask you for permission. So you have to give permission for KonnectzIT to authorize your account. So once you give the permission, so the app will be completely authorized inside KonnectzIT. So right now I'm just authorizing Facebook lead ads. So this is OmniAuth or like OAuth based authorization. So now the second type is API key or auth token based authorization. For this, again, you have to follow the same step. So just click on the app. Right now, I'm just clicking on WhatsApp app and to click on add account. So this will going to ask me for the tokens. So basically, so all these details, so this will be provided on your favorite apps. So basically if it asks for API key, you have to copy and paste the API key. In this case for WhatsApp, it asks for token, phone number, ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. So I'll just go to WhatsApp business account and copy my token and paste inside KonnectzIT. So the phone number ID, so again, I just need to go here and copy the phone number ID. So basically I was in Facebook Business Manager. So now I'm gonna copy the business account ID and then paste it here and then click on S and continue. That's it. This will going to authorize WhatsApp inside KonnectzIT. So these are the two types of authorization. Basically, the type 1 is OAuth and the type 2 is API key or auth token based authorization. So now we are completed with authorizing those apps. So it's time for us to build a workflow. So let me go ahead and straight away click on create connects. So this is where you will be able to see all the magic happens inside KonnectzIT. So when you click on create connect, you will be landed to our visual builder. So this is where all the magic happens. So where you will be able to build your workflows. So let's start by naming our workflow. So I'll just name this. So giving this example like Facebook lead ads to Google Sheet. I'll be showing you this particular use case. So for this, just need to search for Facebook lead ads. So once you got the lead ads, so just drag and drop the app. So for authorization app, so you just need to select your account. So basically I forgot to tell this, so you can manage multiple accounts, so you can manage for all the apps. So and also once you authorize those apps, so you can able to choose between different apps, like different account over here. So right now I just going to choose the latest authorization and select the trigger as new lead. So basically what I am doing in this use case is, so whenever there is a new lead on my ads page, so I'll be adding those leads into Google Sheet. So that is a use case I'm going to show you now. So you have to select the lead ad form. So I just selected my lead ad form and then hit on test and review. That's it. Boom. So once you hit on test and review, so you will be able to see the green arrows that shows your app is successfully connected, and this particular plus icon will gonna give you the additional attributes where you can select for further automation, for example your custom variables. So right now in this case I just selected email, full name and the phone number and click on OK. So whatever the attributes I just selected on the plus icon, it will be available over here for me to use for further automation. So now what I need to do is just need to search for my other app, that is Google Sheets. So search for Sheets and then drag and drop the app. So just drag and drop the app, and again you have to repeat the same step. Select your account, select the action. So KonnectzIT basically support all these actions. So here in this use case I'm just creating a new row. You can do whatever use case based on your use case. Right now I'm just creating a new row. So whenever there is a new lead, so I will just select the action as create spreadsheet row and select my sheet, so that is KonnectzIT demo sheet. So before that I will be showing you my sheets, Google Sheet here. So this is my demo sheet. It has name, email, phone number and status. So let's go ahead and select my sheet. So once I selected, automatically it will display me the name, email, phone number. That is the first row of my Google Sheet. So just connect between the nodes. Once we got those nodes, so you had to connect between one point to another point. That's it. Boom. So just like an old school, nothing else you need to do. So just drag and drop the app and select the credentials and connect between the nodes and hit on test and review. So boom. So the automatically the data will be added inside Google Sheet. So that's it. It will oddly take you 5 minutes, guys. So just drag and drop the app and connect between the nodes. So now I will go ahead and publish my connects. Hope this is easy peasy, and anybody who has less experience or no code experience, so just build a workflow within minutes. So starting from simple application like this to complex application, you can build the workflows like within a minute. So now let's go ahead and test this connect. I will be using Facebook lead ad testing tool. So let me select my form. So let me preview the form and just add those details. So just replace with my name and let the phone number be the same one, and then just click on next and then click on submit. That's it. So once I did that, automatically a new row will be created with my name. So you can see that there is sheets has been added, two rows has been added because I have the two active workflows. So you can see these two are active now. So that's the reason there is two rows has been created. So basically it's very simple. So just build automation within minutes. So this is how you can actually connect two apps, that is Facebook Lead Ads and Google Sheet, like this. So just let me know if you have any questions on how to connect Authorized app inside KonnectzIT. So if you are good, so now I will go ahead and show you how you can actually connect the Webhook app. So this is the Authorized app. So now I will be showing you how you can connect the Webhook app. So basically you have to follow the same step. So just click on create workflow, and then in this case I'll be taking WooCommerce app for demo. So whenever there is a sale purchase happen on WooCommerce, so I will be notifying the user. So notify the user with WhatsApp, or like you can send Gmail. So I'll just do this. So WooCommerce, so any purchase happens in WooCommerce, I will automatically send them an notification in WhatsApp with a PDF attached. So let's do that. Let's see how we can do that using Webhook apps. So that is WooCommerce. WooCommerce is an Webhook app inside KonnectzIT. So for this, you have to search for WooCommerce app. Just drag and drop the app. So basically, I'll be selecting the action as new sale, that is new order created. So whenever there is a new sale happen, copy the webbook URL based on the instructions provided here. So there is an instruction, you have to follow these instructions. I will show you for WooCommerce. So for else, you have to follow those instructions. So first go to your WooCommerce store. So that is WooCommerce WordPress site, and click on under WooCommerce, click on settings, and then under settings, click on advanced. So after you click on advanced, so here you can see that there is an icon called Webhooks. Just click on Webhooks, and here you have to create a new webhook. That's it. So just create, first name your webhook. Sorry, it went somewhere else. Okay. Yes. So first name your webhook. Just select as active and select the option as order created, because we have to get notified for order created. Just place your webhook URL and click on save webhook. That's it. Nothing else you need to do. So just this is how it will be. You will be placing the webhooks for all apps. So based on the instructions provided here. So after placing the webhook, you have to do this step manually. That is one time. So click on capture response. So this will enable KonnectzIT to capture the response from the webhook URL which you placed on the other apps. So now KonnectzIT is ready to capture the data. Let us make a sample purchase on my WooCommerce site. So let me go here and create a cart. So let me make a sample purchase. So just go ahead and purchase. So I have this John Doe. So let me go ahead and place the order for John Doe. Okay, so once I place the order, automatically KonnectzIT will capture the order details over here. So it will take couple of seconds to capture the data from WooCommerce. So let's wait for KonnectzIT to capture the response. So meanwhile, I'll be checking any questions. So for some reason chat is disabled. Please use Q&A session. It will be good. It will be great. So we should receive soon. Usually it should happen within seconds. So why it is taking so much of time? Let us make the purchase again if possible. Or let's see. So let me make a purchase again. Hopefully we receive this. So this time I will be naming as Rakesh. Just to check whether the details are correct. So let me place my order. Do I save my webbook? Oh, sorry, I forgot to save my webbook. Yes, we received the details over here. You can see, so we have the details there inside this billing tab. So just click on that billing tab. So you can see, yeah, the first record itself is came. So we have the name John Doe, and also we have the email address, and also we have the phone number. So now we just need to send an WhatsApp message. So for this, I need to search for WhatsApp Cloud API, so which is an official Meta API. So just drag and drop the WhatsApp Cloud API and select account. So that's the latest one which we authorized, and select template message. So basically template messages look like this in WhatsApp. For complete details, so we have a video being done for how to set up your WhatsApp cloud account, and also create a template message, and basically you can add your own phone number and generate a permanent token. So I already explained that in the video. Please do go ahead and search for the video in YouTube, KonnectzIT YouTube channel. So now we have, this is the template. So basically it has an header with a PDF document, and it says like I name and thanks for purchase. Please find the complimentary ebook attached. So the preview will look like this, and it says the footer. So you can add it for your branding purpose, and also a call to action. So in this case, I just given it for KonnectzIT site. So this is how I added a template. So I'm going to select the same template over here. So you can see that is purchase KonnectzIT. So now once I selected that, so it will automatically ask me for variables, that is PDF URL and the phone number. So let me connect the phone number directly from WooCommerce site, and then I need even so the name. So I'll be adding the name from over here. So basically I'm just connecting the name, and also the web like PDF URL. Just copy the PDF URL. So just go ahead and paste. So there is any URL if you want to name. I just name this as KonnectzIT ebook, and then hit on test and review. That's it. So once you hit on test and review, automatically a WhatsApp message will be go to the phone number which we attached. So this is my WhatsApp. You can see I just received an WhatsApp message. So it says KonnectzIT ebook. So it says, hi John, Thanks for purchasing. Please find the complimentary ebook. So this is a ebook which we received. So basically this is how you can send an WhatsApp message for all your purchase. It's just a notification, and there is a shared feedback. So this will gonna redirect to my website. So now we are done with your placement, and let us go ahead and publish our workflow. So just click on publish and click on OK. So this will going to publish our workflow. So now let's go ahead and do and test this particular workflow which we built right now. So let me go ahead and make another purchase. So for this I had to go to the shop again. So in this case I'm gonna select any product, add to cart, so view cart, and then click on proceed to checkout. Yeah, let me be my name over here and phone number be the same, just to show a demo for you guys. So just click on purchase. So once I did purchase, automatically I should receive an one more WhatsApp message. So based on our use case, so let's go to WhatsApp. So we will be received. So it will take couple of times. So we will gonna receive WhatsApp messages over here. So with the same thing. So this is how you can connect between multiple apps. So if you have any questions on these two integrations which I show, both like authorized apps and also the webbook apps, so do let me know in the Q&A session. I'll be happy to answer all your questions at the end of this session. Hope I'm not making you guys sleep, so just let me know where which use cases you guys will be looking for, and what is that you wanted to achieve basically when you are working with KonnectzIT. So just do let me know guys, like I'll be happy to answer your questions. So this is the two types of apps, and now I'll be explaining you about inbuilt apps. So there are inbuilt apps. So basically, even if the apps are not integrated inside KonnectzIT, you guys can still able to connect those apps. So I'll be explaining about like using generic webhook app and also the API module. You can able to like use these apps and connect the apps even if the apps are not integrated inside KonnectzIT. Yes, it will be a bit technical, but it will be similar like how we follow these steps. So before jumping to that, so this is a folder structure. So basically those who like to organize your workflows, so you can do so, like make your work structure like on the folders. So you can actually access the folders things over here and create a new folder, and then edit the folder and delete and move between this app to another folder like this. So you could able to move to any other different apps over here. So this is how you can do and like access folder structure. So here in Connects page, so basically in Connects tab, so you could able to see all the apps which you integrated. So you could able to integrate starting from the small app to and complex apps basically. So now let's go ahead and create another workflow that will be for inbuilt apps. So basically I'll be explaining about webhook, generic webhook, and API module, and also the inbuilt app in this use case. Yes, we received the WhatsApp message, so you guys can see that it will take some time because it's all depend on WooCommerce webbook. So it will gonna take couple of delay of like couple of minutes. So it will be sending an WhatsApp message. So you can see that. So it just says hi Rakesh and thank you for purchasing, with basically same ebook and also the same link. So this is how you can send WhatsApp messages using KonnectzIT Webhook app on your successful purchase of any WooCommerce tool. So now let me show you, like Webhook module. So basically, if the apps are not integrated, if it supports Webhook, yes, you can able to integrate Webhook app inside KonnectzIT. For this is the generic Webhook. You have to select and drag and drop the app. So you can see that, like I will be showing one of the app called Zoho Forms. So basically we have Zoho Forms integrated inside KonnectzIT. So I'm just gonna take the generic thing. So right now you can see Zoho Form is already integrated inside KonnectzIT. But now in this particular use case, I'll be showing you using this particular app called like Webhook. This is a generic Webhook app. So just for this, copy the Webhook app, go to the application. So in this case, I'm using Zoho Forms. So in the Forms integrations, and then under integration, so just go to Webhooks. So place your book URL which you copied from KonnectzIT, and that's it. Just need to click on save. So this will going to save the webbook inside Zoho form. And now go back to KonnectzIT and click on capture webbook response. This will going to enable KonnectzIT to capture the response from the webbook which we placed on Zoho forms. So now let's go ahead to Zoho forms and fill in my details. So I'll just enter my details as Rakesh Mesh and company name as KonnectzIT, and then I will use my email address and the phone number. So basically I'll be using, so I will submit the data from Zoho forms. So once I did that, automatically KonnectzIT will going to capture the response from Zoho form. Even the app is not integrated inside KonnectzIT, so we can use generic webbook and able to capture the response from Zoho form, as like how we will do it if the apps are integrated for all webbook forms. So we can do that. So you can see this, guys. So the name and all the details has been captured now, and we can use it for further automation. So this is how we can use, even if the apps are not integrated inside KonnectzIT. If it supports Webhook, you can use generic Webhook app inside, that is an inbuilt app, and capture the response from KonnectzIT. So you can use and start building your automation as like other apps. So now I will be showing you the other inbuilt app. So we have all these apps. So you can see that basically, all these are add-on apps. So number formatter, date formatter. So for all this in detail, so please go to our academy, and you can able to use all these apps, and you can able to see the apps. So I'll be showing you coupon generator, couple of inbuilt apps. So this is the functionality of coupon generator. Basically it will generate an unique code, so based on the inputs you are given. So I just selected as generate, and number of, like, this is the expiry date, and prefix I will just need to give my name so that it will add as my prefix. And coupon length I'll just give 10, or you can give any length, and it on generate. Once you do that, so automatically in this plus icon we will have expiry date and also the coupon code. So and just click on OK. So this will go into available over here. So you can see that so this is how you can use coupon generator for further purposes, like like generate an unique code. So for example, if you want to send any coupon code for your users, so you can do so like just by generating coupon over here inside KonnectzIT and adding it to your validating into your account. So now in this case, like I'll be showing you one more app called like API. So basically I will use generic API app, which is KonnectzIT inbuilt app. So imagine if the apps are not integrated, if it supports API, so definitely you can able to connect those apps. So I'll be showing API using API app, and I'll be connecting WooCommerce store. So even though if the app is not integrated, that means I means what I'm telling is, even though the app is not already integrated, I'm just using API module and integrate WooCommerce app. So I will show you how to do that. It is bit technical, but bear with me, guys. So basically, so in API module, we support this 4 HTTP methods. Basically, you can use get for getting the data from any other app, and post for putting, like, posting that information to other apps, and put and delete. These are the HTTP methods. So right now I'm going to post my data. So basically I'll be using the post data. So to get, posting the data to WooCommerce store. So using the API documentation. So what I will be doing is I'll be creating a coupon. So basically, so using create a coupon, that is a WooCommerce API documentation. So using this, so when I click on create a coupon, so we have to do like this. Basically, first we have to add an endpoint URL which requires consumer key and consumer secret, and also this website. So this basically this URL you have to generate as an endpoint URL. Basically this consumer secret and consumer key you will be able to see under, so REST API under settings. So so you can able to see the consumer secret and consumer key over here under REST API. Or if you are, you can view or edit the keys. So you can see you can add one more as well. So using these keys, so basically you have to generate an endpoint URL. So my endpoint URL look like this. So basically it has a consumer my domain name followed by consumer key and consumer secret. This URL I will be getting like this. So you can see example.com, coupons and consumer key, consumer secret. So first you just need to add the endpoint URL over here, and you can leave those two things as JSON. So we support JSON formats, and set the parameters. So parameters are header parameters and also the body parameters that you will be able to see here. So header parameter is content type. So just copy that and go to KonnectzIT and add as header parameters and body parameters. So just go here, copy this. We required code. Yes, we required code over here. So that is the coupon code which we generated, and we required percentage. So discount type, yes, we required. So just copy that. So these are the setting the parameters. So, and amount, yes, we required, and the rest all things is excluded. We don't require that. So just copy this and click on OK. So once whatever the parameter you set there, so it will be available over here. You can see this, and rest all things are same. So you have to give it from this like code. I'll be giving the code which I got it from coupon code, and then I need a discount type. So discount type I will be doing it as percent. I'll be copying some percentage, so basically percent, and discount amount. So yeah, you can do like I'll be giving it from giving 10% based on my coupon length, and content type as application JSON. So just copy this and paste it here. So before I hit on test and review, I will show this is my WooCommerce store. So basically I'll go to my WooCommerce store and try to add that coupon code. So let me go here and add a product. So just going to add a coupon code here. So That's the coupon code which we generated from KonnectzIT. You can see this RM8245B. Let me go ahead and do that. So this is a coupon code which we generated from KonnectzIT. I will just hit on apply coupon. It says, you can see that. So it says coupon RM8245BD98 does not exist because still we haven't added inside our WooCommerce store. We have not created, just we generated using KonnectzIT, but we have not created inside our WooCommerce store. So now I will be hitting test and review. So this will going to create a coupon inside my WooCommerce store. So we have some issue over here. Let me go ahead and do that again. Yes, that was an issue maybe. So yeah, so now we had created our WooCommerce, like sorry, the coupon code successfully. So now I will go ahead to the cart and add the coupon code again. See here, you can see it says does not exist, but now it will going to apply. Yes, you can see that coupon code applied successfully and it is giving me 10% discount automatically. This is a coupon code. So this is how you can use KonnectzIT Webhook and API module even if the apps are not integrated inside KonnectzIT. So you could able to use this apps, your generic API and generic Webhook module to connect those apps inside KonnectzIT. So hope you're gonna like these inbuilt apps. So and we do have other inbuilt apps like text formatter, date formatter, number formatter. So for all the different purposes. So I'll just show you how text formatter is being used. So text formatter can be used for these options. For example, you want to merge the text or case, remove HTML, URL encode, decode, all these things you can do. I'll just show you how you can use it for merge option. So basically, like I will connect the name. So when you connect these things, and I'll just connect the coupon code. So when you connect multiple things, so what it will do is like you could able to merge these records. Like basically you can use, even you can use HTML content over here in our text formatter. So when you connect and you type at the rate symbol, it will going to display the nodes which you connected. So I connected name and also I connected coupon code. It is asking me these two options. So I can select name and then say here is your coupon code and then type at the rate symbol. So I'll just add the coupon code just to build like any merge option. So you can do this and use our text formatter to beautify your email, or you want to send any notification, so you can still do that. So using our text formatter. So now I'll be sending an email using Gmail. So basically this is how you can use our inbuilt apps. So similarly you can use multiple other apps like like number formatter and date formatter and format all those records. So just connect the to the body, and then if I have email address from Zoho Forms, yes I do have. So I just connect it to two and then say KonnectzIT demo and hit on test and review. So this will going to send an email with the text we generated from KonnectzIT inbuilt app. So now let's go to my email and let us check. So you can see that it says the subject line, which is customized one, and it says my name, I Rakesh Mesh, and it says the coupon code as well. So this is how we can do that. Like for example, so now I will go ahead and publish my connect. So all these things gonna happen now. So let us go ahead. So let us publish. Once the publish is done, so let us create another response. In this case, I'll be using this as John Doe, company as John's company, and email address as I'll be using same email address because I need to receive those coupon code. So let me go ahead and submit the form. So once I get like form is submitted, so this is my card. Let me go ahead and see, like I'll just remove the coupon code. Let us see the coupon code which way I'm gonna receive now for John, whether it will be valid or not. Yes, we received our email. You can see it says I John Doe, and it give me an coupon code prefixed with the name. So now let's go to my WooCommerce store and add those coupon code, and it will be valid because it is created using KonnectzIT inbuilt apps, Webhook, and also the API module. So this is all about Webhook API modules. So this is how you can build, starting from simple applications, simple drag and drop, like two step connects to a multiple step connect. So just by repeating the same step, drag and drop the app and connect between the nodes. So this is about our Connects tab. So now let's jump on to the history tab. So basically you can able to see the error log and also the success log over here in the history tab. So here basically, so I'll be explaining you the task, how it will be consumed. So how we are going to count the task. So basically you can see the first example. So basically similar to Zapier and other tools, like we also not count our triggers. That is our first app. So in this case you can see Facebook lead ad is our trigger, so we are not counting Facebook lead ads. So we only count the apps which present on right hand side. So basically all the apps, even the inbuilt apps. So in this case, in this example, it is only Google Sheet. So whenever a new lead is generated, so one particular task that is like consumed on from your task consumption. So for each new lead for this particular example, because we don't count the first app. And that comes to the second example. So this is again the same thing. So we are not counting our trigger. So that is our first app. In this case, it is WooCommerce. So we only count the second app, that is the WhatsApp Cloud API. So this is the only app, only one task will gonna consume. So when it comes to the third example, which I shown, so basically we will be counting all our inbuilt apps as I told you before. So in this case, so first app, that is our trigger. In this case, it's a Webhook. We are not counting that. Then the second app, which is coupon generator, which is an inbuilt app, we are counting that as one task. And the API module, that is the second task. API module, again, it's an inbuilt app. We are counting that as a task. And the third one is the text formatter. And the fourth one is Gmail. So totally for each new lead, so each time whenever the form is get filled, so four tasks will be consumed from your account. So this is how we count the number of tasks. So this is all about task history. If you have any doubts, please do let me know in the Q&A session. I'll be happy to answer all your questions. So now let me jump on to the next tab, that is account tab. So where we can actually manage your profile. You can edit your profile pic and all your profile details. And also basically, you can change your language. KonnectzIT support multiple languages, so you can access KonnectzIT in different language. So you can see that. So if you don't have any your language, please do request to us. We'll be happy to add your language also. So basically once you logged in, so you could able to access KonnectzIT on all your languages. So you can see now I just added as Chinese. So all the app converted into Chinese. So basically you can it's a multilingual, so you can just access all your apps on your language. So now let's come to change password. It is pretty straightforward. You can update your password over here. Then comes the billing. So whatever the code you received from any marketplace like AppSumo or any other marketplace, so you can come to billing and add your coupon code and click on apply code. So that is where your code will be get applied to KonnectzIT. If you don't do this so manually, so you have to do it. Otherwise, you will be stay in the free plan itself. And this is a plan, so you can able to see the plan features over here and which plan you belongs to. Right now I'm in agency plan. You can upgrade or downgrade from this particular plan and the total number of tasks available and the sub accounts. So all those details will be displayed in billing. And now let's come to the agency tab or the team tab. Basically you can manage your sub account here. You can add your sub account. You can assign the task to your sub account. So like this, so you can assign all the tasks. So basically it will going to consume from this particular main account. So you can see now I have in this account, so I have like 10,000. So I'm going to update the task to 15,000. So basically it will get consumed from the main account itself. You can see that. So automatically it will get going to consume over here. And you can update the task. Deactivate is for soft delete. Delete is for hard delete. That means completely removing your account sub account from KonnectzIT. So this is how you can manage your sub account in agency tab. So this is all about KonnectzIT, guys. Any questions? Now it's time for answering all your questions. So do let me know on the Q&A session. I'll be happy to answer. Let me take few of the questions which is already been present. Hope you enjoyed this session. Do let me know your feedback as well. So chat is disabled. Sorry, for some reason, like chat is disabled. Please do use Q&A session. Exomatic. So definitely, you can go ahead and search for our YouTube channel. So you can able to do that. So do a lot of lead scraping. Scraping is something which we are not doing at this moment because basically it consumes the parallel consumption of the records. So definitely in future we'll be adding it to data scrapping multiple things. Gary says chat is disabled. Please use Q&A session. Please send me the recording of the webinar. So sure, like Gary, so will be sending for all attendees. We'll be sending the recording for sure. So guys, let me know if you have any other questions. I'll be happy to answer, or else we can wrap up this session. All I say is any reply for this session. Yes, definitely we will add it to our YouTube channel. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and you will be added. There will be a reply. You can just see the replies over there. So definitely. So if you have any other questions, guys, we'll take up those questions, or definitely I'll be like we'll be thanks for watching this. So waiting for reply. Thanks all. I sure, like, so let me know if you have any questions, or else we will wrap up this session. Thanks guys, thanks for making it to the live session or like webinar session. If you have any questions, so please do reach out to our support@konnectzit.com. And we've been very active on our community in Facebook. So we will be posting each and every update on our community as well. Please do join our Facebook community. And if you have any questions, please reach out to support@konnectzit.com. Thanks for your time. And if you have any integration request or apps request, please use our roadmap, that is plan.konnectzit.com. So our team has direct access over there, and we'll be happy to add those apps, the requested app inside our KonnectzIT apps library. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching this entire live session. Thank you guys. Have a great day.